All right, much greener through here. I don't detect much of the St. Augustine Decline. Definitely got once before. Oh, looking good. So we trust the nose real here. Yeah, a lot better. I mean, it's in more shade, so it's not going to dry out as fast, but it still could use some water. So I gave him a catch can so he could measure what his sprinkler system puts out, so he didn't have to do any guesswork. Okay, so right through here, it has Bermuda grass filling in. You can tell where they did the sprinkler repair right here recently. And the reason why that's the same as the reason over there is because this sidewalk gets super hot and dries out the soil. And when the soil's not getting enough water, the St. Augustine is going to die out in these areas. And then when the conditions are favorable, the Bermuda will fill in. And if you're in a neighborhood where there's a bunch of Dallas grass and bluestem, you're going to get Dallas grass and bluestem right there. No one wants that. I like what they did here with the walkway. All right, this is the area that we talked about, that they're just never going to be able to grow any kind of grass here. You heard the client ask me about planting zoysia here, and it's not a sun or a shade problem here. It's a poor drainage and compaction problem. So through here, a walkway would help, but only if the drainage is fixed right here. If you're going to continue to have standing water, you're going to continue to have dead grass. Same here. These aren't areas where you plant grass. This is the artificial grass or rock. Do something like this. Beautiful. And then the backyard St. Augustine is looking good too. Looks good back here. You can tell the line where they repaired the irrigation back here. All right, so let's wrap up this video in Arlington, Texas. Follow me for more North Texas lawn care tips. And if you want your lawn to look like this one, you got to be patient. This didn't happen overnight. This has been a 2 to 3 year process of dealing with St. Augustine decline and sprinkler adjustments and everything you need to do to have a nice lawn. And this customer is now on their way. Again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.